Students, how are you? I hope that you are well by the grace of Almighty God. I am also fine. Student, you have been staying at home for a long time for fear of COVID-19. But what about your study? Are you afraid of it? You should not. Because we are providing you with all kinds of classroom facilities. So, what you have to do is to follow. In order to follow up, you should have to certain things. At first, you have to open your Facebook or subscribe our YouTube channel called Dohar Mobile Secondary. Keep talking. Let us enjoy the class. Students, at first, I am going to introduce myself to you. Here, I welcome you from my presentation area. I am here, Hanabi Mondol, Assistant Head Teacher, Proharmogo Secondary School, Mansha, Fokirhat, Bagirhat. And I am going to teach you a topic from class 9, English grammar and composition. So students, after the finishing of this session, you will be able to know more about how to use or structure the second and third conditional sentence. How to use the second and third conditional sentences and how to complete sentences. So students, you have to listen carefully what I say. Students, in the previous class, I was discussing some points about conditional sentences, but I have to shorten my speech because of the length of this topic. So, I am going to finish my losing topics in this session. This losing session is here the use of second and third conditional sentence. So let us enjoy second and third conditional sentences. Students, the use of second conditional sentence. First, we know the structure of second conditional sentences. As we know, the structure is here if plus past plus would, could, might plus present form. That's if after that a clause with past indefinite or simple past and after that a clause is after the subject would, could, might and present form will be used. So students, let us enjoy the more use of second conditional sentences. The use of second conditional sentences. For purposes we use these conditional sentences. Mainly we use these second conditional sentences two purposes. First, we use this second condition to talk about the things in the future that is probably not going to be true. Examples, if I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. Probably I will not win the lottery. So this is not a true. So secondly, we can say if she would travel all over the world if she were a rich. She is not a rich. So she will not erase. So this is not true. Students, secondly, we can use this second conditional to talk about something in the present which is important. Have a look. at this example. If I had his number, I would call him. I don't have his number, so it is impossible to call him. If I were you, I would go out with that man. I am not you. So this is not true. If I were you, that is, I am not you. So it is impossible for me to go out with that man. Students, you will be noted here that where is used here instead of was, after he, she, it, and I in the second conditional. Students, now we have to do individually. Look at this screen. How many purposes do we use conditional? Many purposes? I have discussed many points of use of the second conditional sentences. We mainly use yes two purposes. We use the second conditional sentence. That's first. One is we use the second condition in the to describe things or to talk about things in the present. That is impossible. We also use this second conditional to describe things in the future, which is going not to be true. So, students, another topics we can see in the screen. Look at these sentences here. There are two sentences here, and you have to say for what purposes these two have been used. So, if we analyze the first sentence, if I were rich, I would help the poor. So we can say here, if I were rich, so I am not rich. Which means that I am not rich. So we can say yes. We can say that here conditional is used to describes things in the present, which is impossible. Secondly, if she got the prize, her parents should be happy. You can say she will not get the prize. She will not get the prize. This is the yeah. So her parents should be happy. If she got the prize, her parents should be happy. You can say she will not get the prize. So, yeah, second conditional is used to describe things in the future, which is going not to be true. So, students, now complete these sentences. There is a sentence you have to complete this sentence part. It can be according to your wish. If I had more time, if I had more time, first conditional sentence. So, if I had more time, what would be happening? I would travel. Thanks. I would travel all over Bangladesh. Students, we have learned a lot of things about second conditional. What about third conditional? Let us see. Use of third conditional and the structure we know. If plus past perfect, after that a clause with would, could, might, have, and past participle. We use third conditional to talk about impossible situation as in the second conditional. In the first, we often use third conditional to describe regret. Here are examples. If you hadn't forgotten her birthday, she would not have been upset if they had booked earlier. They could have found better seats. If I had not learned English, I would not have got this job. What would you have studied if you had done engineering? So, students, we have finished our another topic, important topic, use of third conditional. So, After these topics, you have to do another task. Let us enjoy the task. You have to do it fairly. Students, complete these sentences. There are some missing clause. So you have to complete this sentence part with a missing clause. Here appears the condition of this sentence. If we had left earlier dot, what would be happen then? Their conditions and the result will be missing here. So you have to complete this missing clause. Secondly, dot, I wouldn't have got this job. Students, here the condition is missing. So the condition will be yes. If I had not learned English properly, I would not have got this job. Third sentence first, they wouldn't have heard you. If, yes, if they had proceeded earlier. Yes, if they had proceeded, if they had proceeded earlier. Students, next, you could have helped me, and the condition is missing here. You could have helped me, and all of these are in the third conditional. So, what will be the third condition here? If you had, if you were, no, if you had been me. Friends, you could have helped me if you had been me. So, there is another word. If I had seen you first, perfect is used here and the condition. If I had seen you. So, what would be happen then? If I had seen you, I would have welcomed you. Thanks. Students, we have learned a lot about the use of first and second condition. Now, see, we have any problem? Do you understand this topic clearly? If not, can I revise it? Yes, I can revise it. So we are talking about many points of conditional sentence. So what do we mean by conditional sentence? A conditional sentence is a such kind of sentence in which condition is imposed and the possibilities of a thing depends on another thing. So there are three kinds of conditional sentence: first condition, second condition, and third condition. First condition, we use first condition to describe things in the present. We also use first conditional to describe things in the future. We use may or might in the first condition to instead of shall or will to describe possibility. We also use infinitives in the first condition to describe the destruction of a person. And thus, what about the second condition? Second condition, we use two purposes. Second condition, for second condition, we use the use of second condition are two. So, here to describe, to talk about things in the future, but which is not going to be true. We also use second conditional to describe things in the present, which is impossible. We, and the third condition, in case of third condition, we used third condition for impossibility in the past as in the second condition. We also used third condition to describe regrets. So, students, we have learned everything about this conditional sentence. So, we nearly come to this session, come to into this session. So, you have to take up your pen and paper and write down this homework. Your homework, you have to complete these sentences. After completing your sentences, you have to show this to your class teacher. When the class will remain or open, so students now write down the sentences. Second, dot dot dot, the missing word dot dot dot, it would have been better. You have to complete this sentence. Third, if I had the wings of a bird, dot dot dot, you have to complete. If they played well, dot dot dot, what would be happen then? And dot dot dot, I would have helped the poor. So students, we have learned everything about this conditional sentence, and there is no more to me about this sentence. So I am going to finish this session. At last, I want to say to you, you will be kept safe and sound. You will be in school within a short time, and you have to study for your next class. Thanks.